Getting the Walmart Plus as an employee is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can get Walmart Plus as an employee. So in order to do that, you need to follow these steps. So the step one is workers are required to use a dedicated work computer, which means if you are a worker, you need to use the dedicated computer that have assigned to you by the company. The second thing is you have to access the enrollment link. There should be a Walmart Plus enrollment link. You have to go to that link. After that, you have to watch 10 minutes of pre training films, which you have to watch. After that, will be able to get the accept button at the bottom of the page. There should be accept button. You just have to click on that. Afterwards, it will take you to a page which should be congratulating you. Make sure you have a membership plan by entering your email address. So whenever you are at the congratulation page, it will want you to add the email address in which you want to get the Walmart Plus. You just have to enter that. After enrolling, you may also see some tax charges which you shouldn't care about, just because Walmart will refund that extra tax to you. So that's pretty much it. That's how you'll be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.